Kung magkudeta kayo uli, bigyan mo ng, how would I call it, bigyan mo ng panahon na maghinog yung reforms na gusto nila. Hindi ba kaya magkudeta kinabukasan, ibigay mo kagad balik?
So, Mayor,
You're wasting your time.
Are you saying that you're in favor of military?
Hindi rin. Kasi, but I would not, kung magkudeta sila, hindi ko sila pipigilan. I am sure that itong mga to, mga bright to, galing ito PMA, dinidikdik pareho rin yan sa AB noon, tayo AB mata. Alam nila what is good for the country. Eventually,